Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and we got smoked picanha tonight. This one is a little bit special. You guys know Triple N, she hooked us up. So she got us a little care package. So this is ButcherBox. First time she said, oh, I'll do it this way so you can see. This is ButcherBox. So she hooked us up for this subscription of meat, and we'll try it and we'll see how this works out. So I'll show you what we got. Similar to our, Newski's baking that we got. So I'm a little bit excited. But we'll see what we got. Comes with dry ice, cold, it'll last all day outside, even though I was here, so I pulled it out. And what we have in here is tri-tip, some ribeyes, about 4 ribeyes, and the spare ribs, boneless loin chops, about 4 of them there. Those are thick. For someone else in the house, some sea scallops. And some boneless, skinless chicken breast. Some bacon. 2 pounds of ground beef, and hopefully last but not least, my picanha. So this is what, out of this, we'll make a recipe out of this, but obviously you'll see some more of these things, but I'm excited to try this. So once this is ready, we'll come back and show you some smoked picanha. It's the following day. My ButcherBox picanha has defrosted. For those who don't know, ButcherBox is grass-fed, steroid-free, antibiotic-free beef and chicken and pork. So yeah, again, I told you, Triple M got it for me. I'm not gonna say no. So we're gonna smoke a picanha. A picanha is a strip loin, if you will, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of beef. And it's got, the grain runs this way. It's important to note, if you go to a Brazilian restaurant, churrascaria, they do it differently. I'm not doing it that way. I'm gonna smoke it. I'm gonna reverse sear. The best steaks I've had have been reverse seared. And if you go, we've got that beautiful reverse sear. We'll put the link there so you can check it out. Delicious. Made that for my brother Pablo. But if you're interested in ButcherBox, we'll put a link down below where you can check it out. So I'm gonna get this ready. I've got my SPG. I'll put this on the T at 250 degrees until it hits an internal temperature of 125. But first things first, I gotta get this ready. So I've seen this done. I talked to my brother who's in Alabama right now, and we came up with a game plan. I'm gonna go ahead and score this beef, the fat cap. Then I'll rotate and go against what I just did to do little cubes on top, if you will. Just trying to make it better for presentation, but I also want the seasoning to penetrate into the meat. And the goal is to, again, put in the smoker. Got my cast iron skillet for the reverse sear portion, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this going with little Cosmos Q SPG, which is just salt, pepper, garlic, coarse salt, big piece of meat, coarse garlic, coarse black pepper, and already looks almost edible. Marcus, don't be cheap with the seasoning. So I'll let this sit for about 10 minutes, get my probe in there, and to the T we go. outside smoking, humming along at 250 degrees. Got my temperature probe in. Ready to get into the tea. Blinded by the smoke, not the light. So we'll let that go till we get to 125 and then you'll see the next steps. Our alarm is going off. So we're at 125. You guys heard that beeping. And we'll go ahead and take them out. We'll go to our next steps inside. But just for those of you following us, look what we got. If she pans the camera, we got a Blackstone. So if you want to see some Blackstone action, just comment down below. So we're back inside. I have my avocado oil ready. Got my cast iron skillet scorched. You guys can see the smoke coming up, hopefully coming up there. I got my meat that has been on the smoker for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's at 125 now. Of course, it's still rising. My goal is to get to 135, so I'm gonna do about a minute each side. Here we go. Get my glove ready. Of course, I'm gonna do the fat cap first. And we'll flip in 1 minute. So we're a minute in. I'm gonna give it a flip. Look at that caramelization. And it's already smelling delicious in here. So we'll go another minute on this side as the smoke just smokes me out. So last minute, I'm gonna go to the big edge and give that some color. So I'll go for maybe 30 seconds on this side and then I'll pull it. And our timer's up. I'm gonna go ahead and place this on my cutting board. I'm gonna go ahead and get my aluminum foil and I'm gonna temp this for 10 minutes. Be right back. So as my steak is resting, if you hopefully went back to that other video, I got some compound butter, which is simply cilantro, garlic, salt, pepper, lime juice. And I'll go ahead and take a little wedge off of that. And hopefully, I'll take these 2 wedges. Hopefully that comes in the picture. But that's just full of all those wonderful seasonings. And I'll put that underneath the steak so as it cools, it soaks up the wonderful juice, the butter, and all that other seasoning. So, retent, be ready. We have rested 10 minutes. You guys saw I put the butter on there, so the butter is all melted on here. Remember I told you about the grains, we're going lengthwise. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice here. I'm gonna get the good part, the juicy part. Oh yeah. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. While we're here, sorry. Holy crap. If you like beef, wow. The prime rib, nothing. This is delicious. This is delicious, delicious, delicious. I can't wait. Sorry. Get that butter and that cilantro and that garlic. No, mortal. Guys, first and foremost, if they're interested in the things that we have watching in our video or using in our video, links down below. But if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
a buen tiempo. This is delicious. Está mortal, pero mortal. For me. There's also a ButcherBox link if there's any interest in that. Check it out. This is delicious. This grass-fed It's delicious, man. It is really good.